The sound of ants. Scientists spent many years observing insects and monitoring sound frequencies that they produce, but there was no possibility to confirm that except when they were able to record the sounds produced by ants. The aim of the observation was to trace the presence of ants in agricultural crops, and they did not find a more efficient way to track than the sound of ants. What surprised the scientists was that the sound frequencies produced by the ants vary from one ant to another, from one type to another, and from one position to another. There are 12,000 kinds of ants in the world, and the number of ants on Earth is far greater than the number of people, by many times. Scientists are baffled before such great varieties and how to deal with such sounds. Scientists were able to record various ant sounds. The findings of such research were published in the Journal of Sound and Vibration in 2006. This was the first time man was able to hear a real sound from an ant. The outcome of this research showed that the ant outdone humans in the sense of hearing. Scientists expect that the ant's antennae are used for transmitting and receiving sound frequencies. The ant amplifies the incoming sound signals, working as a device of a modern receiver. It filters any different effect in the process to distinguish it from other sounds. This is a very sophisticated, developed, and advanced communication system that was unknown to scientists. But Allah, the Almighty, informed us about such a communication system in the glorious Quran. Allah stated in the glorious Quran, chapter 27, verse 18, "Until when they came upon the valley of the ants, an ant said, 'O ants, enter your dwellings that you not be crushed by Sulaiman and his soldiers while they perceive not.'" How could a man who lived 1400 years ago have known about the sound of ants?
Subscribe our Sense Islam YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video.